I just got these HygroHub garden scissors here that the company sent me that I've been using. I really like them. They are nice and sharp, small, really easy to use. Great for all kinds of uses in your garden. So this one is a flat pair and there's a curved pair right there. So they are super useful. So you can use them just to cut anything in your yard. If you want to do any precision trimming, if you like to get cuttings, it's really nice. Trim off some branches. See, it's super nice and sharp. I've been using them a lot, so you can see. So they're a bit dirty, but yeah, really nice and sharp. Great way to prune your trees, get cuttings, or whatever you need to do in your yard. The curved one is really nice too, so you can, get in certain places and cut things really easily. Some little curve really helps. So yeah, really comfortable to use, nice and lightweight, super sharp. So if you're in need of some garden scissors for pruning or whatever you need in your garden, definitely check these out.